So this is our accounting syllabus. Total, there are 16 chapters. Right? Total, there are 16 chapters. So my plan is to cover up this 16 chapters in next 5 months. We are starting May, June, July, August, September. By September, before September, most probably we will be able to complete the syllabus, because advantage is already we have some recorded videos for most of the past paper questions. So there are questions past each chapter. Let's say, for an example, accounting equation. Right? Uh, I have done almost all the past paper questions. Right? Then in the fast track program, we will do more difficult areas. Right? More difficult areas and target questions. Right? We will more focus on targeted questions, because I have already got some of the papers from the Colombo zonal education, and also from some of the leading uh, lecturers, leading teachers in schools. So we can focus on examination target questions. Right? So this is our syllabus. There are 16 chapters. Now, I discussed with few students. I discussed with some of the students. Most of the students, they said that, sir, uh, let's start now. First few sessions, chapter 1, 2, 3, these sessions uh, already several times they have done in schools, in their tuition classes, maybe theory, revision, these areas already covered several times. So what I thought was, I will be starting in the month of May. I will be doing the management accounting part, because there is no relationship between this and uh, the accounting part. Because accounting, definitely we have to go from the basic. You have to start with transactions and events, then recording the transactions in the prime entry books, adjustments. You have to do the adjustments, then only you have to do the financial statements. So there is a process in that. So that part, without touching that part, we will first, in the month of May, I will be targeting on management accounting part. Right? I hope, because very less uh, time that you all have done this, and maybe only in theory class, or some of the students, they said they have not covered the management accounting, the marginal costing and investment appraisal part. Right? So in the month of May, I will be doing this. Right? And next month onwards, we can focus on other areas. So later, if we have more time, we can revise these chapters again. The important is, this is easy. Management accounting, you can easily get the marks, right? Not like company, not like partnership, incomplete records. More than that, management accounting is very simple, right? So I have different techniques that I use in management accounting, especially in the marginal costing and all. There are easy techniques that we can use, right? So I will be explaining all this. So today I'm not going to do any main sessions. I'll just focus on some of the areas, and I'll give the plan, right? Okay, so So there are now I will tell you how to get an A, right? So you may be now your level may be at, maybe some of the students may be marks 90 plus. Some students may be 70 plus. Some students may be 50 plus, right? Some of you may be in the maybe 30, 20, that range, right? So all these students, we can focus on any, because A level is a different game plan. I'll tell you because even I studied at the last moment, right? Not from the beginning. Right? There are a lot of students who were in our university who were our batchmates, and most of the students I was teaching, they have got through the exam at the last minute, right? So you don't even need 2.5 years for A level. You can just complete in 6 months time period, right? I can guarantee you that, because in 2018 there was a student who did O level in 2018 December, and he did his advanced level in 2019 August. He got he got through and he got 3 A's, right? So if a student can do within 8 months, definitely you can do it, because already you have some of the basics, some basic knowledge is there, right? Only thing is now we put this into a proper format, then we focus on this target, right? So that's not a hard thing. That's a very systematically, methodically, you have to uh, focus and follow the instructions. I will tell you what are the things that you need to do during this uh, 5 months time period. So the exams will be on most probably in October. I hope it will not further extended, right? Okay. So there are few things that we need to do. Number one, I want all of you to have a separate book. For the fast track program, right? Use a separate book, and also when I conduct the classes, keep all the materials, right? Uh, I will send the tute and all pens, pencils, stationery items, right? Because when to get a good result, you need to have a proper notes. You need to have the proper notes, right? So I will be giving a lot of mind maps, a lot of new techniques throughout the last 14 years, 14 to 15 years. We were able to, uh, learn a lot of new techniques in accounting, especially, right? So I will be explaining them. So keep the stationaries and the materials ready with you. And most important thing is past papers, right? So at least if you want to get an A plus, right? Minimum, you need to do 20 years papers. Minimum 20 years papers. It's a must, right? I will tell you the secret that I got. You know, I'm 100% sure that my accounting paper I got about 95 plus marks out of 100. Even in last exam in the school, I got 99 for accounting. Right. The main reason is I was doing the past papers. Each past paper, 3 times, 4 times. Difficult questions I have done more than 10 times. So the main key for your advanced level is past papers, not only for accounting, even for economics and business studies same. I'm telling, I passed, I got a rank because of doing past papers several times. And at that time, one of my class teacher, she told me to do the papers. Every day she was telling me, do past papers. So every day I was doing one past paper. And I did the papers with keeping time. Initially, first few papers, I did it without looking at the time, just taking my own time. Right? Later, same paper, let's say 2020 paper. First time you have to do without looking at the time, take your own time and you have to do the paper. And second time, keep the time, keep your clock. Right? Take 3 hours and within that 3 hours you have to do. So very important when you are doing it, time management, managing the time. Right? Because how do you manage the time? I will show you. Right? First, let's say how to do the past papers. This is how you have to normally do. Right? So if you take your paper, everyone here must do this analysis. This is called the past paper analysis. So this I did in the A-level time period itself. I was doing this, right? Not only for advanced level, I did the same technique for my university education, my chartered exams, right? When I do ACCA, CIMA, and I teach that even I'm using this past paper analysis, right? Because by looking at this, you can easily target the questions. So here what we have is, I hope you all can see the screen. Yeah. You take each year. Now, if you take 2019, that's the new syllabus. 2018, old syllabus. They have given 100 marks for 2018 onwards. Before that papers, 100 marks for second paper. This is my second paper, right? I've done the same thing for MCQ as well. Right? Now, 2019 onwards, you will have 200 marks. Right? So there are only 6 questions. Sorry. Yeah. 6 questions. Right? So each question, there are 2 parts. First question, see every year, now I have done this up to 2010, just to show you, right? First question, 2011 onwards, you can see the first question is company accounts, right? Then costing, second question is costing. And I'll share all this, right? I'll share this full analysis. Better you draw this in your book. Now I told that take one separate book for fast track program. In that behind, you draw this entire analysis. Right? Whenever you do a question, let's say you did, initially I'm starting the costing part. So when you do a question, you put a tick, right? You highlight it. So you know that you have covered 20 years past papers. Then you know what are the questions that you have not tried. Right? So end of these 5 months, you should be able to complete all 20 years papers. Right? Some of the questions I will be doing it, and some of the areas, let's say you have a doubt, let me know. I will do a separate video for that. Now you know, separate session I can do difficult questions, so you can cover up that. Okay, so that is one thing. And when you are allocating marks, now I told about time management, right? When you are allocating the time, now 200 marks given for 3 hours, 180 minutes. 3 hours means 180 minutes, right? So if you have one mark, normally they give 100 marks. After that only they multiply by 200, right? So each mark is equals to 1.8 minutes. So if it is a 10 marks question, you can allocate 18 minutes. But if you take from 200 marks, you multiply that by 2, right? 36 minutes. So that is how you have to keep the time, right? So whenever you do a question, keep the time and do it. So this analysis is very important to get an A. Right? Even though you are at 20 marks, 30 marks range, I don't mind. Follow the instruction, ask me questions, doubts, clear all your problems. You can get an A. It is for sure, right? Because last time also, there were some students who were finding very difficult because they didn't go for classes, and they have a lot of issues because of the COVID situation. So this time your batch is suffering more than that, right? So therefore, follow the instruction, clear doubts. Let's all, work hard and get that dream of 3 A's. Right? So that's the second, the third thing I wanted to explain. Right? You need a separate book and keep the materials ready with you and the past papers. And please have a separate place to study. This is very, very important. You can't study in your bed. I don't know even now how many of you all are in the bed using the phone like this and studying, right? Don't do that, because bed is for sleep, and have a separate table or separate place. Even though there is no place, just prepare some area for you to study. Keep all your notes and books and everything ready in your study area, right? Then start studying. Then only it will go to your mind. Keep a water bottle, keep everything ready. When most of the times what happens is you start doing something. Let's say you are going to do a past paper, company accounts question. If there is a doubt, let's say there is a doubt in disposal. So you need to see your theory note to see that transaction, or you need to see the answer. So if the answer is not there, you will stop that question, doing that question, and you will focus on something else. So that is why you have to keep your materials ready with you. Even when you are learning economics, business studies, keep all the notes and materials ready. So you have a separate place. Like if it's better if it is a silent place where nobody can disturb. and use mind maps. Very important, right? Draw the mind map, and you can paste that in the board, right? Especially economics and business studies, you can have mind maps for all the chapters. Each chapter you can have the mind map. Right? Accounting, there are only few theory parts. Other areas you have to you have to do a lot of questions. Right. So I was explaining the syllabus. Right. So that's the plan. Management accounting. So next, in our next class itself, I'm going to start with management accounting, since it is uh, one of the main area where we can score more marks. And after that, we can start with these sessions. Right. And the methods that I'm going to use, let me show you. So I will be uploading everything in the Google Classroom. Right. So this is the revision class I was conducting. But similar to this, we will be having a separate Google Classroom fast track program. Right. So in this, we have classroom. So each chapter, we will have separate topics, separate headings. Under separate heading, you will be getting the MCQs. Right? So you can click the MCQ and directly do the MCQs in the classroom itself. Right? So that is online MCQ portal. So each chapter, now I have prepared most of the chapters. So each chapter I'm targeting about 100 plus MCQ questions. So you can do here in the Google Classroom. Right? And also the mind maps, I will be uploading all the mind maps in the classroom, and also you will get the tute. In the tute also you will have all these mind maps. Right? And this is the advantage that you are going to get, where for each chapter, uh, for the fast track program, past papers will be recorded separately. Like if you take this is accounting equation. So for accounting equation, each year you will have the past papers. Right? 2019, 18, 17, 15. So if you go to this is additional, right? This is not the fast track program. This is addition to the program. These recordings, right? So these recordings are there at any time. You have this recording to refer your doubtful areas in the past papers. And separately, I'm planning to do MCQ sessions. So through the MCQ, you can cover up difficult areas in, most of the students, they find difficulties in MCQ sessions. So likewise, each chapter, you will have access to notes and other uh, materials. So other thing is the method that I'm using right now. I use two methods, right? One is when doing the questions using Excel, like I normally do in our revision class. Also, I do the Excel like this, right? We have the question here. We'll be using Excel sheet to explain, the double entries and all other things. If you take equation, prime entry books and all, normally I do through the Excel sheet. So that is very clear, right? And there is another method I use. I normally take the whiteboard and explain through the whiteboard, right? So based chapter, based on the topic, I'm going to take one of the method. Okay. So like this, I will explain. Now, all the chapters, you will have separate files in the classroom, so it's easy for you to refer, right? Even if you miss any session, the recordings will be there. You can check out anything, and doubts can be cleared up through WhatsApp, or you can give me a call. I will clear all your doubts. Right. Okay. So today I'm not going to conduct a session, but the reason is I thought to send the tute by this week. So if you can register tomorrow or day after tomorrow, before that, so we can start the class on coming Thursday, 6th of May. Right, 6th of May, I will be starting the class. As I said, management accounting. I will be doing the management accounting session. Right. So here I have already sent this, so you can just go through some of the MCQ questions. Yeah, these questions. And these are some of the programs I conduct in several schools, like even for 2021 advanced level, everything is planned. I got the paper also from the Colombo zonal office. I got the paper also, but unfortunately, we couldn't do in the school, right? So sometimes we might have to do it online. So even though for your school, I will be contacting the principal and trying to do some of the programs, targeted paper, right? Okay, so that's all what I have to say about the fast track program. Right, we will be commencing the program 6th May, management accounting. 6th May, management accounting, right? So if you all can do the registration by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you will get the tutes. Maybe before the class, you can get the tute for management accounting. So any questions? If you pay tomorrow, you can get the tutes by Wednesday. Yeah, by Wednesday you can get the tute for management accounting. Any other questions? Which is the most easiest sum to do? Easiest sum is if you go through the syllabus, right? Almost all the questions are easy, right? But is based on your practice. You practice a topic more, that becomes more easier. If you ask me, I would take uh, those days. I would take manufacturing accounts, right? Cash flow statement, ratio analysis, bank reconciliation, non-profit organization. Those are very, very easy. Like manufacturing accounts and all, nothing. Just draw the format and recording. I will share the plan with you all. In the group, I will share everything. Difficult to do company sum in 30 minutes. Company accounts you can do in 30 minutes. Nothing. Just practice. If you do 10 questions, 20 questions in company accounts, then after that everything is same, because same typical adjustments, right? Inventory adjustment, debtors adjustment, accrual adjustments, PP adjustment, taxation adjustment. Every year the adjustments are same, right? So nothing to think. You will get the same adjustment. So when you practice, when you do several questions, automatically next time it will come, right? When I get the paper for my A level, I felt like I have done this paper before, because papers were A-level papers will be, prepared by taking questions from uh, different past papers. And so only thing is practice. Practice more and more questions. There is a question about other subject, ICT and business studies. Also, we will have a separate lecturer who will be conducting the fast track program. Already economics, we have a very good lecturer, and he just started. If you have not joined the economic session, fast track program started by Arshad Ismail, is a superb online lecturer. I can guarantee 100%. And if you have not joined for any other classes, just try, drop me a message so I can ask sir to give you a free session. Just try one session. He is a superb lecturer, right? In online, you can learn economics in a simple way, right? So he already started the session. So let me know. I can ask him to give you a free session, so you can go through that. Any other questions? Revaluation, PPE, and all we will do. Right? I will explain the easy methods. Like, don't worry, I will be doing some easy techniques in company final accounts, because I have methods that we use for different exams, chartered, ACCA, CIMA, CMA. So there are easy techniques that we can use. ICT also we will try a lecturer. Still, I didn't finalize a lecturer for ICT. So it will be, once I find a lecturer, we will do a fast track program. I will share the syllabus plan. Recordings, yes, you can use the recordings for until your advanced level exam. You can use the recordings, right? There is no restriction. Once you join the classes, all the recordings will be there until your exams, until you complete your exams. Right? So nothing to worry about it. And also, let's say you have a difficult question when you study. You have a difficult question. Let's say in lease. Send that question. I can do a recording and send you. So those things also we can use. There is a question, which is better, doing past papers or model papers? First, past papers. Second, model papers. First, past papers, you have to fully thorough with the past papers. After that, you do the model papers. Doing both is good. Practice questions with a calculator on paper. You do it on paper, and since you can use the calculator, even now itself, you can familiarize with the calculator. Right? Use a basic calculator. You can just familiarize with the calculator. Okay. Any other questions? So the classes will be commencing on 6th. Right? 7:30 p.m. Okay. So if you have your friends and known people, just pass the message. We are going to do the management accounting. Very, very important area in your syllabus. And easy, you can get the full marks from the management accounting. Any other questions? Okay. So we'll conclude the session now. If you all have anything, just drop me a message. Send me WhatsApp message. And another thing is, now after completing this, I will be doing minimum 5 mock exams, right? Last time also, for 2020, we did a target question paper. It was a physical session, right? Even if they open, I will be doing online plus physical. With people who can come for classes, I will be doing a physical session. Right? Also, before the exam, let's try to do at least 5 mock exams. 6th, if possible, try to do the payment by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Get the due. Even if you couldn't pay, don't worry. 6th, I will make that session free session, so you can join for that. Physical classes, I might keep in Kolpiti or Fort Colombo, in Colombo. Okay, so thank you very much for joining. If there is anyone who has questions, you can ask in the chat. I'm happy to answer any of your doubts. So others, they can leave. Thank you for joining. So I'll see you on the 6th. Right. Good night and take care and be safe. God bless you. There are some doubts. Others, I will answer these doubts. When I do the physical class, you can still join the online physical class or because I will use a video to record that session. So online physical both will be. If you pay, you can get the tools by Wednesday. You can get the tools. Uh, 2022 students also better to join because uh, you learn from the basic. So you should be able to do the exam, mock exams. So don't worry. Right. Any other questions? Okay. So take care and good night. I'll see you on the 6th. Right.